Well, let's review a smartwatch. Well, let's look at a smartwatch. I say review, but really, we're going to take it out of the box, take a look at what it looks like. We're going to pair it with the app, whatever the app is, and we'll give you a quick rundown, look-see of what the Tranya Go, it's their new smartwatch. Yeah. Yeah, so Tranya's made, we've reviewed earbuds from Tranya forever, but they've gotten into smartwatches. Now, just so you guys can see here, even here in Canada, where I am, Tranya smartwatch. Here's your kind of specs: 1.69 inches, full touch color display, 7 to 10 days battery, Android and iOS, IP68 waterproof, which is good, fitness tracker, heart rate monitor, Tranya Go Smartwatch. $40, and you get it right now at time of filming, $2 off coupon, and you can get it black or pink. Very Apple Watchy. And if you guys actually looked at my video I did last week, looks very similar, actually, at least from the photo, looks very similar to the Poco watch. Yeah, very similar to the Poco watch. All right, well, four stars, 4 out of 5. That's pretty good. Here's the box, so you guys can see it. Pretty simple box, Tranya. It's got the specs right there. Multiple sports, super long battery life, IP68, and that's kind of it. But as far as boxes go, dropping stuff off the side of the table. But yeah, as far as boxes go, it's nice. It makes you feel like you're buying something, getting something that's of some quality, which is a nice feeling when you're spending the big dollars, the big $40. I can't, man, I'm having issues with trying to get boxes open lately. Like, okay, so here's the one thing, Tranya, that I love the box, but you should have a little pull tab or something that allows you to get this out, because you're like, gravity, just let gravity do its job. All right, there we go. Okay, so here we are, Tranya, 15-month warranty, activate within 15 days. All right, I'm with you. There's the watch itself with, I said it looks like a decent size, so it's like a magnetic charger to USB-A. Okay, we'll throw that over there. Very nice. There's the watch. Bands and everything are already on it. Looks like you got a nice manual, right? Fonts are decent. Now, does it have an app? My guess is it has an app. Do they give you a QR code or something like that? Come on. Step 1. Make sure there's no firmware upgrades, okay? If you're prompted to say do it, so we will if it does. I'm guessing, no, that's a scan this code for the warranty. Aha, maybe that's it. Install the app. That's what we're looking for right there. So we'll get that going. So we'll come down here, boom. Anything? Did we get anything? Glory fit. Okay, that's coming down. Now I'll probably have to log into this and create an account, which we will, but there's your manual. I think the manuals should be good. And there is the watch. Nothing else in there. Super cool. You guys can see it. You're like, oh, what a lovely screen. No. Well, it might be. It's just a sticker. But it's definitely, so the previous watch that I did, the Poco, more square. This has got a little more of a rectangle, which, you know, very nice. But again, up against an Apple Watch, definitely again, it's got that more of a tall, not as wide look, which I actually kind of like. One button on the side, you guys can see it, right? One button on the side, nothing else. There's your heart rate monitor and your magnetic charger right there. Now, we'll wait for the app. Okay, the app's there. Spin those around because the lighting is always better if I put them this way. That's always better. Okay, so let's open this. Now, I may have to log in, I'm not sure. Yep, glory fit. I've done this before, so let's just see if I have an account already. I've used this app because it is one of these apps that, oh, it says code. Okay, you put your email and then you hit get, and supposedly my guess is it's gonna send me a code. That's the hope. Yep, you get a code 269862, 269862, 269862. Now it's going to be a different code. You can see that little counter going right there. Log in. Cool. Mail. Yep. Okay. How tall am I? I don't know exactly. I think I'm like 181 centimeters, something like that. And all your good stuff here. So this is, you can put pounds. I'm gonna put all that information in. I'll skip this for you guys. You don't need to watch me do all this. All fine. Allow while using. Okay. 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 All right. So now it says, please, you guys can see this, please connect device. So I'll click on that. Select device. I'll turn this on because it's got to turn on. So I'm guessing you hold that button down. Yep, there it is. Okay, there it is. Tranya Go. Connecting. Battery low. Excellent. Weak battery. All right. That's fine. I get it that it's weak, but maybe we can just put it on the charger right now, which is here, and use it while it's charging, because that would be excellent. So we'll just put that there. Bluetooth, yes, and we'll take this and snaps that way. There we go. 5% charging. Allow. I don't know if you can use it while it's charging though. Like, can you do anything, or does it just say it's charging? Oh no, there you go. So it's charging and doing that at the same time. Awesome. Very good. Now, it's not set up quite as nice as I'd want it, but I'll hold it like this. You guys should be able to get the idea. Okay, so we have our goal, our distance, our calories. It's all based around your height and weight and age and all this kind of stuff. Heart rate. You have your home, which is this page here. You have your walking, running, indoor, outdoor, and these are just the basics that I have here. You can hit the plus and you can add the ones that you want to put into your kind of sport management. So as you go back here, you can see that there is a fair bit that is listed there, which is kind of nice. Walking this month, nothing, just so you guys know. Yep. You have a go. You have I'm guessing this is, and the one thing to be aware too, right? This doesn't, as far as I know, this doesn't have a GPS in it. You are bringing your phone with you, so throw your phone in your backpack or put it in your pocket or whatever, and it uses the GPS of your phone while you're running. You do have settings, so broadcast frequency in kilometers, your distance, duration, speed, heart rate. You can turn all that stuff on or off if you want. It says play, so I'm guessing this would actually announce maybe, right? Broadcasting. This is the device itself, Tranya Go, here it is, right? So you have watch faces, so if we tap on the side, now the side button is pretty stiff, but there it is, right there, it looks nice. You do have different watch faces, so no dial, there they come. So they're all, as far as, like, this is dial center, as far as I'm concerned, I'm not a big fan of dials that have all these weird graphics behind them, but if you are, there they be, right? There's lots there. They're all kind of loading up right now, but they're all fairly like comical, kitty-like, I would say. So I think I'll stay with the one that's just there already. Heart rate settings, you can kind of come there in automatic, right? Device within 24 hours, okay. Blood oxygen. Now, the one thing just to realize again, and this is, heart rate settings probably are fairly good. I find even on fairly inexpensive smartwatches, the heart rate sensors are decent. Blood oxygen settings, you know what? It's ballpark. I've tried numerous watches, and blood oxygen settings can fluctuate. So if that is something, in my opinion, and that's my opinion, if it's really important to you, get an actual blood oxygen like sensor. Both my wife and I just, had COVID, and the province sent us an actual blood oxygen sensor, and I would try it against different smartwatches. On occasion, the smartwatch was close or right. Sometimes it was way off. So, I definitely trusted the device that the province sent us. So here's all your phone, SMS, apps set. This is all going to be like notifications and things like that, right? Firmware update. Please ensure there's enough power. So right now it's not going to let me do that. And of course your profile, right? So your goals, training, weekly, third-party services. So hopefully this will have, link to Apple Health, which is something that you would want to do. So I would say yes. I would want those all turned on. So it's nice to see all these smartwatches now, even the budget ones, that are all being like health kit compatible with Apple Watch. That's really nice. But yeah, there's kind of the app. It does what it does, right? And it syncs. It says it's synced right there. There's your watch up top. Inside here, we're at about 7%. So it's charging decently fast, 8%. I kind of want to put it on, but I'm not gonna right now. So right now, if yes, you still have battery low. So I think you probably have to get up to like 10 or 20%. Let's just go through it really fast. So if you slide up from the bottom, this is going to be notifications and messages. You can't go back or forth like this. It's just what it is. And you slide back down to get here. Slide from the top down, your do not disturb, your screen brightness. Let's just strengthen that because we're at about half right now. Oops. Can I just tap on the screen? Yep. So the screen's fairly responsive, at least. It's maybe not as responsive as I would like it to be. Maybe, oh, I have to hit the word strengthen, not the image. You have to hit the word weaken. So, okay, the screen's okay. That was me. Okay, so very good. Do not disturb, find your phone, settings. So if you go into your settings, you're gonna have dial brightness about, so not a lot in there, but it is what it is. Anything else in here? Not that I can see. You can kind of slide right and left, but it doesn't really do anything. Back down to your screen. My speaking is not great today. Again, depending on the display that you chose or the watch face that you chose. I'll bring this up a little closer maybe for you guys. And if you slide over, you're gonna have your stats, you're gonna have your heart rate, your blood oxygen, your sleeping. I like the screen though, the screen is nice. Weather, and again, it gets that information from the app for the GPS and all that kind of stuff. So just make sure that, you know, you have your phone close and it's allowed to connect. So it's 15 degrees right now. That's not bad. And is that it? Weather, yep, heart rate, status here. And then if you go the other way, you have your sports, your status, your heart rate. So this is where you can do kind of like a list view of it, which is kind of nice. You can also go in here, especially your sports, then you can kind of say what you want it to do. And this has all of them listed there, which is kind of nice. The screen's decent. Yeah, I'm always concerned about the inexpensive smartwatches and how bright their screen is, but like I got a good light right here, and that's decent. It's not bad at all. And let's just put it on to see what it looks like when it's on. I know, you're low battery. I get it, low battery. I don't know what to tell you, you know. I'm trying to charge you up. I will be wearing this for the next week or so, so I have to fully charge it today, and then we'll give it a wear. Comfy though, that's all right. Let's just try real fast. Just do my heart rate. So, oh, it's already going 75. And if I go to my Apple Watch and do a heart rate, I always like to see if they're close or similar to each other. Heart rate, I'm up to 82. I just got excited, I guess. And this actually says 82, 83, 82. This has got Siri going for some reason. Still 82. 79. 80, 82. So they're close. They're close to each other, right? You guys can see them. And brightness wise, I'd still say the Apple Watch is probably a little brighter, but that's still definitely readable. And if I went here to blood oxygen, really it should, I just did a blood oxygen test this morning and it came up at 98%. Is that right? 98%? Yeah, 98%. This says 98%. So seems to be right as of now, but who knows, you know. Use it as a guide. It's not medical grade, definitely not at $39 for a whole watch, but you know, gives you a good idea. All right guys, there's a quick little look at the Tranya smartwatch. Yeah, I like it. It's all right. It's not a bad little watch at all. I'm gonna charge it up and wear it for the next week. And I may make a follow-up video, or I may just add another comment down below if I have some thoughts on what I'd like to see. But at $39, I think it's a pretty decent deal. Side button is good. It's a little, I don't know, it feels a little low for me, but it's fine. It's fine. You know, I can't complain too much when you're looking at $500 and $40. You know. All right, guys, that's the Tranya Go Smartwatch. Pretty good for their first go at a smartwatch. Yeah, you're welcome. And that's it. I'll put links down below if you guys are interested at all in this. And that's all for today. like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell if you like all these little tech videos and some of our vlog videos that we like throwing out for you guys. And I'm feeling a little better. My laptop has to go into the shop again. So I'll see how it's doing in regards to putting out videos. I'm trying to get better right now still, because I'm getting over my COVID. So I don't know if we'll be doing these once every day, but at least when I feel better, or when I feel good enough, I'll try to make one. Yeah? Yeah. All right, guys, I'm out. Later.